makadi hamati mana ese oja muri nasi ndoda kuratidza kuti unosolva sei simultaneous equations uchishandisa substitution method. Right, it's page 208 kana shandisa book 3 number 10 ndio ndichashandisa se example. So number 10 yakanziyo 4a is equals to 1 minus 3b. 4b is equals to minus 1 minus 6a. Right, on this one, yes, you can use any method that you want to use. You can use even elimination method or substitution method. But if you want to use elimination method, it means you have to rearrange it first. Now, when you're using substitution method, you must make sure, let us call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. When you are using substitution method, unofanira kuita one of the algebraic substitution formula. Kana wacha one of the algebraic substitution formula panemu equation yacho unovwa substitute on the other equation. Right, let us make a substitution formula for equation 1. Taita a substitution formula for equation 1 inga a is equals to 1 minus 3b over 4. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to substitute this value of a on equation 2. Remember, wakaita substitute formula of one of the algebras by equation 1 no substitute by equation 2. Wakaita substitute formula one of the algebras by equation 2 no substitute by equation 1. Now, takushandisa equation 2 substitute. Ingaita 4b is equals to minus 1 minus 6 1 minus 3b over 4 like this. Remember, unongonoratanga akune kukolekta malike times so to simplify. Sakeninga yakuita hiyo 4b plus 6 1 minus 3b over 4 is equals to minus 1 like this. Right, what arrow this bracket chiro wakadaita bigger because it's one thing. It will be up to you. What arrow wakuchi simplify this part neku expand the bracket rako na 6 inenga kuta 4b plus 6 minus 18b everything over 4 is equals to negative 1 like this. Right, we're going to divide na 2 everywhere on this one. Waka divide na 2 which wasara una 4b plus 3 minus 9b over 2 is equals to negative 1. Remember, how do we then remove these 2? You can multiply everywhere by 2. When you multiply everywhere by 2, you have 8b plus 3 minus 9b is equals to negative 2, like this. Now we will collect my like terms and simplify. We will collect my like terms and simplify because value here b in a negative, let us put b on the other side, or even if we keep them on this side, we will still get the same answer. Right, 3 plus 2 is equals to 9b minus 8b. So 5 is equals to b, meaning to say value here b is equals to what? 5. That is the value of b. Now could it show a value a to actually substitute this value of b on one of the equations. When you substitute the value of b on one of the equations, then we get value here a. So if you substitute value here b, which is 5, let us substitute on equation 1. 4a is equals to 1 minus 3 times 5. So 4a is equals to 1 minus 15. Meaning to say 4a is equals to negative 14. Then you divide both sides by 4. A is equals to negative 3, which is 12. Remainder half. Remainder 2 over 4, which is half. 2 over 4 was we simplify it half. So if you go to value, therefore a is equals to negative 3.5 or 3.5, b equal to 5, like this. Remember, each and every mathematical problem you can prove it if you want to prove it. So wakatora ma values ayo kama substitute on either equation 1 or equation 2, you are going to see kuti right hand side will be equal to the left hand side. Ndinovimba kuti mabatsirika and maona kuti tinokwanisa kusolve say simultaneous equations tichishandisa substitution method. Musakangana kuuza vamwe nezvesample of TV pandinokudzidzisai maths neshona kuitira kuti munyatsonzwisisa. Musakangana zvekare kusubscribe kana mamusati masubscribe. Itirwai nyasha, garai muri mugwara, ndoko wa focused. Ziva zvaunoda usati waita sei wasangana nazvo. Stay focused.